Yo, what's up? It's J2O, man. You already know. We out here. It's a keeping it real. Forex King, the one and only J2O at your presence. And I got something to talk about. Something to talk about today. And it's about these brokers, man. What are the best brokers for small or large accounts? What are the best brokers in 2020? Potentially 2021? Again, I would say one, Trader's Way. Two, could be a tie between KLT4 and Hugo's Way. And three, to be determined. Because right now, there's always new brokers out there. And there could be a new broker in town that could be real good. But you gotta look at the terms, you gotta hear the feedback, the reviews, and if they're paying out. That's the main thing. You want a broker that pays out, especially if you use these offshore brokers. It's very important that you get your money, not just get your deposits when you deposit money into these brokers, but make sure you're able to withdraw. I want my people to be able to make money. Please do your due diligence when you pick these brokers. And understand your reasons. You know, many people have different reasons for using offshore brokers. And the main reason is leverage. Leverage is so powerful. So powerful. Leverage can make you be able to do these quick flips and counts. If you're a scalper, if you want to flip your count quick, you better use a broker with good leverage. So that's all I gotta say, man. Do your due diligence and pick a good broker. Please pick a good broker and make sure you work on your skills, because even if you have a terrible broker, one thing they can't deny you is your skill. If you have a profitable strategy and you're disciplined, you will make money in this. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll continue to drop some content. You already know, we out here.